Is your Fire Stick running slow or constantly buffering even though you have fast internet? It is incredibly frustrating when your favorite show keeps freezing or the menus take forever to load. You want a smooth and snappy streaming experience without having to buy a brand new device. Today, I am showing you exactly how to boost your Fire Stick speed and stop buffering for good. Welcome back to TechVibes. Let us get your device running like it is brand new. The first thing we need to do is clear the hidden junk that is slowing down your processor. Every app you use stores temporary files called cache. Over time, this pile of data clogs up your storage and makes everything lag. Head over to your settings and select Applications. Go to Manage Installed Applications and look for the apps you use most, like Netflix or YouTube. Click on each one and select Clear Cache. Do not click Clear Data or you will have to log in again. Doing this for your top 5 apps will instantly free up resources. Next, we need to stop background apps from eating your bandwidth and RAM. Most apps keep running even after you close them. You should install a simple tool called Background Apps and Process List from the official store. Open it and it will show you everything currently running in the background. Use the force stop command for every app on that list. This ensures all your hardware power is going directly to the movie or show you are actually watching. Your network settings play a huge role in performance. If you are using a 2.4 GHz connection, you are likely dealing with a lot of interference. If your router supports it, always switch to the 5 GHz band for much faster speeds. To take it even further, go to your network settings and manually change your DNS. Set your primary server to DNS 8.8.8.8 and your secondary to DNS 8.8.4.4. These Google servers are often much faster and more reliable than your standard provider settings. Another quick fix is to disable automatic updates and data tracking. Amazon constantly pings their servers to monitor your usage and look for updates, which slows down your connection. Go to Preferences and turn off device usage data and collect app usage data. Then, go to the App Store settings and turn off automatic updates. This stops the Fire Stick from doing heavy work while you are trying to stream. Here is a secret bonus tip for a massive speed boost. Your Fire Stick interface uses a lot of power to show video previews. Go to Preferences and select Home Screen Content. Turn off both Allow Video Autoplay and Allow Audio Autoplay. This makes the home screen much lighter and prevents the system from lagging the moment you turn it on. Cleaning up your device and optimizing your settings is the best way to get a premium experience for free. If these tips helped you fix your buffering issues, hit that like button right now. Subscribe to TechVibes for more fast tech solutions. Comment below and let me know if your Fire Stick feels faster now. Thanks for watching.